I know the truth, David.
Oh, so you've already to figure it out. Sorry, but you have to die.
I'm not afraid because I'm not alone.
Boss, I think we are cornered.
Because I am fight with only 97 calories and easy to prepare. It's so easy to prepare that you can do it while fighting. Yummy!
No. We don't talk about that, bro.
Oh, we don't? Okay.
Buy Milo for only 12 pesos.
Cheers!
This is better than fighting.
But remember, we are Batang Milo!